What is personality? A person's way of interacting with the world around them. B, the consistent, enduring, and unique characteristics of a person. C, a genetic makeup influenced by how we were raised as children. What is the purpose of personality theories? Choose all that are correct. A way to organize characteristics about yourself and others. B, a means to understand social disorders among individuals. C, a way to understand differences between individuals. Match the tools of personality theory with their correct definitions. Column 1, A, psychoanalytic. 2, behaviorism. 3, social learning. 4, cognitive. 5, humanism. 6, trait theory. Column B, A, emphasizes the importance of understanding basic personality characteristics such as friendliness and aggression. B, studies the way rewards and punishments shape our actions. C, stresses one's human potential growth, such as creativity and spontaneity. D, focuses on how our thoughts, perceptions, and feelings shape our personalities. E, focuses on the motives of the hidden unconscious. F, examines the impact of observational learning on personality. Think back to the video at the beginning of this lesson. What are some important elements that make up our personalities? You may use the audio option to record your answer.